Hey guys, Stephen here with another DIY musician guide video, and in this one we're going to talk about YouTube's new Premiere feature, basically what it is, how to use it, and why you should use it if you are a musician. And yes, the blue hat is back because it's cold, and yes, I'm still in cardboard box hell. Okay, now when you upload a new video to YouTube and choose to schedule it, you'll also get the option to premiere it. What that basically means is it will live stream that video at that specified scheduling time. It's a way of getting yourself and your community all together in the same place to watch that new video together. This is really interesting for us musicians for a few reasons. Okay, number one, say you've got some really important news to put out on YouTube. Say it's a album news, or you want to premiere a new music video. This is the way to do it because it's basically telling everyone, hey, this is important content not to be missed. Okay, number two, when you set a video to premiere, it'll rise to the top of your subscribers' subscription feeds. That was really hard for me to say. And they'll be presented with the opportunity to be reminded later on for when it goes live. So obviously the more people are coming over from notifications, the more people are watching at the same time, that equals more watch time, more engagement if everyone's chatting in the quick chat, especially if you're there chatting with people and, you know, building relationships. YouTube rewards that kind of metric. Okay, enough of all the chat, let's go and have a look at how it all works. But before that, it's been a while since I've said that, hasn't it? Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, so here we are on my why to follow YouTube channel, and so basically what we want to do is schedule and then therefore premiere one of my new videos. So to do that, we're going to go into our creator studio like so. Straight away we can jump onto this video here. There's a video I've created previously, but it isn't live, it's obviously private, so let's click on that. See here we've got this premiere function, and if you try and click it, it'll tell us Premiere is not available for private videos, so we need to schedule. Let's schedule video, and then we've got the option. So we're going to hit Premiere here, and we're going to set a time for this. So at the moment of recording this, it is the 7th of November. I'm going to set it for, so let's say 7 o'clock, which is an hour from when I'm making this video. It's like 6 o'clock at the moment. And you can see it'll say Premiere on Wednesday, November 7, 2018. And we're just going to hit the premiere button, and now we have this. See, this video is going to premiere at that time. It's got this set reminder. We can set a reminder for ourselves. So if I switch around to my other channel, right? So we've got this Donald Trump video, which is live. So live must take precedence over premiering videos, which makes sense, isn't it? Because this is happening right now, and this is going to happen at the time. But you can see this is like jumped ahead of any other videos, and so myself here, I can set a reminder. So I'm going to do a reminder on. If I click into this video, we can see that it premieres in 52 minutes. My reminder is on, and I can add a comment. Yeah, you've got the quick chat option as well, which is a bit more prevalent when you're on mobile, which I'll try and cut to in a minute. You'll probably see some overlays if I do that. So I can say, just testing the Premiere function for a video. Boom. And see live chat replay. Your chat messages are now saved and may be seen by viewers who watch the recording of the stream, so they can kind of go back and see all the comments. So if you miss it, at least you can go back and see this comment stream that happened, which I think is pretty good. So until this goes live, see you in an hour. Okay, we got a 10-second count. This is pretty cool, don't you think? This is kind of getting people a bit excited for what they're about to watch, even though there's only 2 people watching. But you can tell if you've got a decent following, this might be a really good idea to get your music out there and to share your big message. You can see this is my big ugly head talking about music we're about to record. I'll just mute that. But you can also see it's on the mobile version as well. And people can live chat, and I'll just say it's live. Boom, and you should see this pop up on the desktop version as well. So obviously this is going to be live for everyone else who's watching this at this point as well, so it's like we've all gone to the cinema and watching that at the same time, or TV, and we haven't got any kind of functionality to scrub it forward or backwards. But that's pretty much it. Okay, just before we end the video, I just want to give you some words of advice, or something that I'm kind of telling myself anyway. I would not use this feature for every video. Use it sparingly. Only use it when you've got something to shout and scream about, like a new music video or album news, a new single you're dropping. Basically think of the word premiere and what it means, because if you use it for every single video, you're just going to annoy people and people are going to start unsubscribing. I only used it in my Wire to Follow vlog video for an example, just to show you guys, but I probably won't be using that feature, the premiere feature, for every vlog. I'll probably only use it when I'm going to drop important news about music we're releasing or projects that we're working on. So just keep that in mind. But saying that, this is the end of the video. Let me know your thoughts on all of this. Are you going to start using it? Do you see it as a good thing? Do you think people are going to abuse it like I've just mentioned? Or do you think people are going to use it really responsibly? I'd love to know your thoughts. Leave the comments below, etc. as always. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe and all that stuff, and I will see you next time, probably with more boxes. It's getting worse, isn't it? On the DIY Musician Guy.